feed him his very first taste of solid food. There's a little bit of rice gruel, sadly.
Right.
Here you go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Well, don't push me around. Here you go. Here you go. Ah. I see. Where's the bib? Did we forget the bib?
We don't need no bib.
We need a bib.
We don't need no bib.
Okay, we're gonna freelance it. You can tell we're amateurs. There you go. You ready for a little more? Oh. Oh, is it right? Here we go. Uh-huh. What do you think? Yeah, you're kind of distracted. Mm-hmm.